chicken, onion, Arabic mixed powder, turmeric powder, whole coriander seeds, water, salt. Cook for 15 minutes on low flame. D. Olive oil, potatoes. Fry both sides until golden brown. Eggplant, cauliflower, carrot, onion, transfer chicken to a plate. Fry for 2 minutes on both sides. Deep freeze. Add fried carrots, potatoes, cauliflower, onion. Add tomatoes 1 and capsicum 1. Add chicken. 2 cups basmati rice, whole spices, and turmeric. Mix well. Add rice to the chicken. Add chicken stock 3 glass. Cover with foil and cook for 20 minutes. Ready to serve.